What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by DJI, and we are checking out the brand new DJI Osmo Mobile 8, a smartphone gimbal packed with some seriously smart creator features. And honestly, this thing is way more than just stabilization. Let's start with the biggest feature here, tracking. The Osmo Mobile 8 gives you 3 different tracking systems, and each one works a little differently depending on how you shoot your content. First, you have the multifunctional module tracking mode. This requires the external module, but it's easily the most advanced option. It can track both people and pets, and the best part is that it works not only with your phone's native camera app, but also with third-party apps like Instagram and TikTok. Then there's DJI Mimo app tracking, which works directly inside the DJI Mimo app for more advanced controls and shooting options. And finally, there's native phone tracking, which connects directly to your smartphone and also supports tracking across native and third-party apps. But personally, the multifunctional module is where this setup really becomes impressive. Once you attach it, you are basically combining stabilization, smart tracking, lighting, and audio support into one compact system. And speaking of the module, it genuinely upgrades the whole experience. You get a built-in fill light with adjustable brightness and color temperature, integrated support for DJI microphones, and advanced AI tracking that works across multiple apps. So now, instead of carrying separate gear for lighting, audio, and stabilization, one device handles everything. That's a huge advantage for creators shooting short-form videos, vlogs, music content, or even live streams. One of my favorite creative features is the 360-degree pan rotation mode. You can activate it instantly, and the gimbal smoothly rotates around your subject while keeping them perfectly tracked. It creates a really cinematic motion that looks far more professional than handheld footage. Another feature I've been using a lot is the low-angle shooting capability. You can extend the built-in extension rod, tilt the gimbal forward, and comfortably capture ground-level shots without awkward positioning. It's actually super useful for cinematic B-roll and dynamic movement shots. DJI also included a built-in tripod, which makes solo shooting much easier. You can place the gimbal almost anywhere, step back, and use gesture controls like a palm or V sign to automatically start recording and activate tracking. That makes filming by yourself incredibly convenient. Battery life is rated around 10 hours, and yes, it can even charge your phone while shooting. Just keep in mind that charging works when the cable is connected through the module. So overall, the DJI Osmo Mobile 8 feels less like a simple phone gimbal and more like a complete portable creator toolkit. Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, a musician, or someone constantly filming social media videos, there's a lot here to like. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.